Hello guys, welcome to your fourth tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm about to explain on variables. Variables, I'm just going to comment it out. Just going to say this. Variables are more like containers. I hope I spell that right. It's containers of values. Okay, let's just write an example of a variable. I'm just going to say a equals to 1. This var represents variable, and this a represents a variable, and this one represents a value. So this a is a container of the value 1. So in a way, this a represents 1. So I'm just gonna try to print out. Just gonna say okay. Then I'm just gonna say a. Then I'm just gonna try to run this, and you see what you're gonna output. It outputted 1. So this a holds the value of 1. So holds the value of 1. I'm just gonna type in something else. Just gonna say var b equals to 2. Okay. Then I'm just gonna say just gonna say var total equals to a plus b. Then I'm just gonna terminate this with a semicolon. Then I'm just gonna say print total. Then I'm just gonna put a semicolon. So I'm just gonna try to run this, because in this way I'm saying total is a variable, and this variable is gonna hold a plus b, the result of a plus b, the total. So I'm just gonna try to print out that it's 3. So a plus b equals to 3. That's the total variable. So in a way, variables, they're containers of values. They hold values. And one thing that you have to know is variables, they have what we call types. There are different types in some other programming language, or in Java they call it data type. So in these types, there are different types. We have integers, we have strings, we have booleans, and we have double. I'll explain later in the coming tutorials on types, in the next tutorial on types. For now, what you have to know is variables, they are containers of values. I'll see you in the next tutorial.